Welcome to Poe Designs here on YouTube. My name is Saskia, and today we're going to talk about what you need, all the tools you need to sublimate a tumbler. The first thing you need when thinking about sublimation tumbler, you need the tumbler. You need the tumbler. For instance, we have this tumbler here. It is a sublimation tumbler. It's not any tumbler out there, because there are tumblers out there, they don't have the sublimation coating on it for the image to stick on it. They don't have the sublimation coating, and you will work on it to get the image on here, but it won't because it doesn't have the sublimation coating on it. Make sure that when you purchase sublimation tumbler, sublimation blank tumbler, that will work for you. Okay, the second thing you do, you have to measure your tumbler. Measure the height or the length, yeah, and around it, how long it is, the measurement. You need to have it. This one of mine here is 8 inch from top to bottom, 8 inch, and around it is like 9.3, like around it 9.3. yes, I think I have it right, yeah, around it. And this is a sublimation tumbler. Okay, the next thing you need sublimation paper. And we use this one. This is our own brand. You need sublimation paper. Even if you do not use ours, even if you don't buy ours, what I think you should do, even if you don't have to buy ours, but you need sublimation paper. Do not use copy paper, because copy paper doesn't have a vibrant look as the sublimation paper. So if you want to give your customers a good product, good quality product, use sublimation paper. Okay, and you also need sublimation ink. When sublimation ink is different, it's a whole other ink than copy paper's ink. This will work with your paper, and it will work with your cup. So no inkjet like paper ink. This sublimation ink is what you need. Even if you don't get this one, but you need sublimation ink. There are so many brands out there that you can get, but not really regular paper, not regular ink. Okay, so we have these three, and now you will also need heat tape. Heat tape will work with your tumbler and with the heat of any of the machines that you will use to press your image on your tumbler. Look, I'm gonna show you this. You can get any of these. You can get the wider one. I use these, but you can also have painter's tape on hand. You will need it. You will need it. Get heat tape. Get whatever color heat tape you want. You can get the wider one too, but also have this on hand, the painter's tape from Walmart. And you can also get this machine, this dispenser, tape dispenser. I will put a link below where you can get it, and it's very handy. It will cut your tape for you. It will cut your tape for you. It will cut your tape in small pieces for you. Yeah, okay. And you will also need a printer. Let me tell you, we as crafters, we purchase these printers, these Epson printers, the Echo tanks. They are the best, and we purchase them and we convert them to sublimation printer. It's very easy to do, especially with the Echo tanks. So if you have in mind to do tumblers, you know, small projects, purchase this kind of printer, Echo tank. And you can purchase the 2720, or there are printers that you can print wider with. This printer, for instance, print only 8.5 by 11. That's the widest it prints. But there are bigger ones, bigger Echo tanks that you can purchase that will print wider for you, like 11 by 17, 13 by 19 and stuff. So they have tanks in here, like yeah, tanks. And you just open it, and edit your and fill it with your sublimation ink. Very smart move when you do it like that. One of the equipments to sublimate your tumbler with is Tumblr Press. Let me tell you, sublimation is the process where the image on the paper is transferred to a substrate through heat. So if I print out a sublimation transfer, if I print out a sublimation transfer and I attach it, like tape it really well with this tape to my cup, I will have to use an equipment like this machine or a convection oven to transfer the image to the cup. Like you see here, I have this cup. It's a blank cup, and then you have this cup that I did is with an image. So this image, I printed this image with my sublimation ink onto my sublimation tumbler on my sublimation printer that I have converted, and that paper I pasted that paper, I taped that paper with this tape really tight to the blank cup, okay, to the blank cup. And then I use this machine here, the Tumblr Press. I use this machine right here. I use it in here with the taped cup. This is the heating pad. This will be hot. This will be really hot. And then I will turn here on and I will set my temperature. And when it reaches the temperature I want, I will put the cup in and I will press it. I will squeeze it close with this. The cup will be tight inside. It will keep it tight. And so through the heat of the heating pad here, it will transfer the image from my paper to my cup. And then I'll take it out, let it cool down, and then I'll peel the paper off, and then I will have my image on it. Okay, that's how it goes. Okay, this is the Tumblr Press. You can get it anywhere. You can get it from our company, from Poet Designs. You can also get it from Amazon, and I will leave the links down below for you. You can get it from there and practice, watch my videos, and you will be able to do it in no time. You also need scissors and heat gloves. One of the tools you can use also is a convection oven. This is a very small one, but you can get a bigger one with 2 doors. And this one, the tumbler will lay down. It will lay down. You have to put it like laying down, and you can have like 2 more beside it. A little tip fast, when I put it like this, if the top is here, when I turn it, but I put the head in, you know, to get both sides baked. So you can get a bigger one of this one. You can get this one, but it should go to 400 degrees. Mine goes to 450, so that's good. Mine goes to 450, but an oven that goes 400 degrees and more and hotter. So you can use the Tumblr Press and you can use the oven to bake your tumblers in. So to recap everything I said about sublimating a tumbler, what you need sublimation tumblers. You need sublimation tumblers. You need sublimation paper. You need sublimation ink. You need sublimation ink. You need heat tape. Get a heat dispenser, it will work fine for you. Heat tape and this as backing. You need scissors. You need heat gloves. You need the sublimation printer, the printer that you will convert. Echo tank. Use an echo tank. It will take all the headache out of cartridges and chips and all those stuff. Get an echo tank and convert it. To press it, you need a Tumblr Press or a convection oven. So this is all that I think, yeah, this is all that you need to sublimate tumblers. And I hope that this video helps you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And also I will put a link in the comment section below where you can get a PDF where I have all this information, all this stuff. I have them in a PDF, and they are also clickable links that you can, if you need them, you can click on the link and it will take you to Amazon where you can get it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.